Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a detailed comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A56 and the Honor 400 smartphones to see which device is going to be better in terms of hardware specs, design, camera performance, battery and all other aspects, and which one you should buy depending on your requirement and necessities. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. The very first difference that you will notice between these two smartphones is the size of the bezels. The bezels we got on Samsung Galaxy A56 are slightly thicker compared to what we got on Honor 400, because Galaxy A56 comes with 88% screen to body ratio and the Honor 400 comes with nearly 93% screen to body ratio. So we got thinner bezels on all four sides of the display of Honor 400 compared to the Samsung Galaxy A56. Both of them come with the flat design as you can see here, and both of them got minimalistic look on back of the device, while we got a very simple looking camera island design on Galaxy A56. The camera module design of Honor 400 looks quite beautiful and premium, and it is also quite eye-catching compared to what we got on the Samsung Galaxy A56. The Galaxy A56 comes with metal frame, while on Honor 400 I believe we got a plastic frame. In terms of water resistance, the Samsung Galaxy A56 comes with IP67 water and dust resistance, while on Honor 400, depending on the region, you will either get IP65 or IP66 water and dust resistance. So the Galaxy A56 is going to be a bit better in terms of IP rating. Talking about the glass, we got Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection on the display as well as on the back side of Galaxy A56. The Honor 400 5G also comes with glass back panel and glass front, but Honor officially didn't provide the information that what kind of glass we are using on the display and back of the Honor 400. But the Honor 400 comes with 5-star rating from SGS for drop resistance for overall unit. So you can expect nice durability from both of these smartphones based on their build quality and material. Compared to Honor 400, Galaxy A56 comes with a bit bigger screen. It is 7.4 mm thick and it weighs 198 grams, while the Honor 400 comes with 7.3 mm thickness and 184 grams weight. So compared to the Samsung Galaxy A56, the Honor 400 is slightly smaller, minutely thinner and a bit lighter. So if you want a smartphone that is smaller, lighter, thinner, then you can go with the Honor 400, and if these factors are not important for you, then of course Galaxy A56 can be an option for you as well. Talking about the display, the Samsung Galaxy A56 comes with 6.7-inch AMOLED display with 1080x2340 pixels resolution, 88% screen to body ratio, and the PPI you will get is 385. The maximum peak brightness can go as high as 1900 nits, while the Honor 400 comes with 6.55-inch display with 2736 x 1264 pixels resolution, 93% screen to body ratio, 460 ppi, and the maximum peak brightness can go as 5000 nits. So compared to Samsung Galaxy A56, the display of Honor 400 is way better in every aspect, whether it's clarity, sharpness or the maximum peak brightness. It also comes with the Honor Eye Comfort display technology, where you will find plenty of options and settings that you can use to improve your viewing experience on this device. So once again, the display of the Honor 400 5G is better in every aspect compared to what we got on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. Now talking about the hardware, the Samsung Galaxy A56 comes with Exynos 1580 processor, while we got Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor on Honor 400. Depending on your region, once again both of these devices come in 8GB and 12GB RAM storage, but the maximum storage option you will get on Galaxy A56 is only 256GB, while you can get up to 512GB storage on Honor 400. So if you want more storage for your device, then you can go with the Honor 400, but if 256GB max is good enough for you, then the Galaxy A56 is also an option for you. When it comes to performance, both of these devices are pretty much same, but Samsung Galaxy A56 is slightly better compared to Honor 400. You can watch our benchmarking test score comparison video of these two smartphones to get the better idea that how much difference you will get when it comes to performance between these two smartphones. Talking about the battery, the Samsung Galaxy A56 comes with 5000 mAh battery with 45 watt wired charging, while on Honor 400, depending on the region, you will either get 5300 mAh battery or 6000 mAh battery. So in terms of battery capacity, it does not matter where you are going to buy Honor 400, you will always get more battery capacity on Honor 400 compared to Galaxy A56. It also comes with faster 66 watt or 80 watt charging. Once again, it depends on the region from where you are buying the device. The 5300 mAh battery comes with 66 watt charging and 6000 mAh battery comes with 80 watt charging. And in the regions where the 6000 mAh battery version of Honor 400 is available, you will also get a 100 watt charger in the retail box. But the Samsung Galaxy A56 comes without a charger in the retail box. It does not matter where you are buying it. Now talking about the software, both of these devices, they come with Android 15. The Samsung Galaxy A56 comes with One UI 7 with Galaxy AI, and the Honor 400 comes with Magic OS 9.0 with Honor AI. Both of them got their own set of features, their unique profile identity that you can see here. Compared to the higher end Galaxy smartphones, the Galaxy A56 comes with a very limited set of AI features. Primarily they are related to the multimedia editing, while we got great amount of AI based features on Honor 400, as you can see here. And these features are very well integrated in the gallery as well, where you can create some nice multimedia content. Especially the AI image to video is quite interesting feature, using which you can convert an image into a moving picture. Performance is quite impressive. For example, I tried to convert this image of me that I captured randomly into a video, and this is the result. So you can see how impressive is the effect. Even the reflection of my glasses is moving at different angle. So these are some unique features that you won't find on Galaxy A56, and also AI based features in general compared to Honor 400. Now talking about few other things, the Samsung Galaxy A56 comes with Bluetooth 5.3 while Honor 400 comes with Bluetooth 5.4. We got a virtual proximity sensor on Galaxy A56 while we got an ultrasonic proximity sensor on Honor 400. Another additional feature on Honor 400 is the inclusion of the IR blaster, and because of that you can use your Honor 400 as a remote to control home appliances, and this feature is not available on Galaxy A56. Now talking about the camera, the Honor 400 comes with 200 megapixel primary camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and 50 megapixel front facing camera, while we got 50 megapixel primary camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and 5 megapixel dedicated macro lens. And on the front side we got 12 megapixel front facing camera. Even though the Honor 400 does not come with dedicated macro lens, the ultra wide angle lens can be used for the macro imaging. Even the lack of a dedicated macro sensor does not matter much here. Now talking about the camera performance, as you can see, the Samsung Galaxy A56 comes with a wider field of view when it comes to ultra wide angle lens. The difference won't be too much, but still the Galaxy A56 will capture a bit in its ultra wide angle images. Honor 400 can go as high as 30x zoom, while on Samsung Galaxy A56 the maximum zoom you will get is 10x only, and the 30x zoom performance of Honor 400 is quite impressive because of the AI imaging enhancement service we got here. So even though it does not come with a dedicated telephoto lens, the zoom level and the performance of zoom on Honor 400 is going to be way better compared to what you will get on Samsung Galaxy A56. Both of them come with their own unique set of camera features and options, as you can see here. And to get the idea about the camera performance of these two devices in depth, you can watch our camera comparison video of the Samsung Galaxy A56 and Honor 400 to get the better idea. The Honor 400 also comes with some nice Harcourt Studio filters that you can use for portrait photography, while no such options are available on Samsung Galaxy A56. So overall, the Honor 400 5G is looking a better smartphone compared to Galaxy A56 in nearly every aspect, as it comes with huge screen to body ratio, way better display, superior camera hardware, more battery capacity with faster battery charging speed, plenty of AI based features compared to Samsung Galaxy A56, and some nice features here and there, while the Samsung Galaxy A56 comes with bigger display, Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection on the front and back, and better IP rating. So which device you think is going to serve you better considering your requirements and budget? Feel free to share your feedback in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed watching this video, if you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.